Let's read! Hi kids! Today we're going to have a reading practice. Are you ready to read? Okay, let's start! I am Tan. I am an ant. I top a pan. I sit on Pat's pin. I sit. Your turn. Pat the ant. Pat is an ant. The ant tops a pan. The ant sits on a pin. The ant naps. Your turn. Dad is a cop. He has a cat. A cat sat on the sand. Dad and the cat are on top of a pot. Your turn. Dad is a cup. Dad is a top cup. Dad got that on his cup. Dad is sad. Your turn. I have a pet. My pet is a dog. My dog is Spot. Spot runs to the pond. Spot had fun. Your turn. I have a pet. My pet is a dog. My dog stands on keg. My dog is Spot. Your turn. The man is mad. The man is on the deck. He kicks the sack. He hits the keg. He hurts his leg. Your turn. Sam and Pam. Sam has a milk. The milk is in the mug. Pam has a pan. The egg is in a pan. Sam and Pam had fun. Your turn. Miss Duck is sick. She went to the vet. She went to the pond. She went to the yard. Now she's not sick.
For more videos, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.